Lisa TerKeurst adopted two of her sons as teenagers from an orphanage in Liberia. One of them once told her, "In America, we pray thriving prayers. In Liberia, we prayed surviving prayers." How poignant that statement is. Many Americans are concerned about paying bills or keeping stress levels low. Yet across the world, some people don't know if they'll survive until tomorrow. Today, as we celebrate our nation's independence, remember and respect the gift of freedom we have in America. You may not have everything you want, but you probably have much of what you need. And as radio personality Michael Medved stated, America truly is the greatest nation on God's green earth. I'm Mac Hammond, and this is the Winner's Minute.